What's up everyone? Assalamu alaikum YouTube. I hope you guys doing freaking amazing, guys. I want to talk a little bit about Palestine, of course, some crazy updates. And of course, a little bit of Bitcoin trading talk. Price update, what's going on in the charts, and so on. So sit back, relax. So Habibis, welcome back to a new cryptocurrency video. Today we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin price update, very quick and fast, throw. And of course, a little bit about the situation in Palestine, of course. I mean, a lot of things happened. Look this tweet, man. Look at this dorky Justin Bieber. I'm Justin Bieber. I gotta post something about the situation in Palestine. Israel. He just posts a photo of Gaza, and then he posts something like praying for Israel. Is this guy really? I mean, bro, just keep it to your annoying, stupid songs, which has no value in this world, okay? And leave it alone, okay? Dorky horky. What we got, guys? Of course, Hamas trending. A lot of stuff happening here. And the latest update before we made the video was that these Zionist oppressors are cutting off electricity, food, and fuel. So imagine you have a big open air prison, and these prisoners are living by your hand. So of course we're Muslims, we don't believe that. Like Allah Azza wa Jalla is the one who controls everything, but they have in this world right now the control about all these resources, and they're just gonna cut off that prison. Imagine it is a prison here in the West. They're just gonna cut off everything. Okay. Unbelievable, mind blowing. It's a genocide. Of course, it's a genocide. Since 1948, it's a genocide. But now they are, cutting off the last piece of important land that they cannot capture. Let them face hunger and cut all of the resources. And meanwhile, they blowing it up with bombs, with the F-16s that they have bought from the European countries and the United States. These Zionists, these oppressors are cowards, literally. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. That something that touched me the most was that piece of cutting all the resources off. I mean, yeah, it's crazy for words, man. I mean, and all those crazy statements by all the European leaders about Israel and about the Palestinian people, bro. They are dehumanizing the Muslims there in the Middle East, without any doubt, without any shame. And that's what they do, guys. That's what they do. Those are the elite that running a lot of stuff in this world, and they don't care about the people. So that's it. Let's dive into Bitcoin, man, because this stuff really makes me sick in my mind, wallah. So let's jump into the charts. We're gonna start with the hourly chart, guys, because that's the last chart that I had open, and what we are seeing is that the descending broadening wedge has been respected. The resistance of this blue line right here, this one, let me mark it a little bit. This one has been respected. So, and also we talked about this incoming green previous support turning into resistance has also been respected, and it couldn't break out. It was a clear indication of weakness. So yeah, for now, what's the situation? Well, guys, I think this yellow box will be the place where we're gonna stay in this coming days, weeks, maybe. I think coming days, maybe a week. And yeah, we're gonna see how this support test of this level right here of this yellow channel, we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. I want to see Bitcoin dipping a little bit more towards these prices here, around 26.3, 26k again, to be honest. And then I want to see if the buyers are jumping in. Simple as this. Are the buyers jumping in or not? And is there any other pattern? Yeah, we talked about this RSI pattern, the rising wedge RSI pattern on the daily or weekly. I don't know which time frame it was. Yes, on a daily. Let me pull it up a little bit, make it a little bit more clear. Yeah, it has broken the pattern, guys. That's the update, guys. And we told you before that this is a very interesting pattern. It's a bearish pattern. So if the RSI is gonna drop into these low areas here, so what is gonna happen with the price? I must say, to be honest, really, if this drop, I thought this drop to 26.5, I think it was a retest of this blue line as support. But it broke it immediately. Batsa. And yeah, we're gonna see a pump, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna see this pump to retest this area and then go down. Or we're gonna go straight down to 20k. I don't know. We're gonna see some bounces meanwhile. I mean, yeah, the charts, they don't dump immediately and don't pump immediately. So that is how it is. You're gonna see pumps meanwhile while it's dumping all the way to 23k maybe. For me, on the daily, it looks quite bad. It's a bear flag in my opinion. Still, it's a bear flag, a retest of the highs here, a new lower high on these area. I expected more, to be honest. I really expected something like this. Maybe ETF knew something. Oh, ETF going on. Oh, I need to buy right now, and then they just dump on people. Maybe, but yeah, did expect that, but I was wrong. But we are playing it good, in my opinion. Really, we are cautious. We know that the bull market is not on. We need to see 32k being broken for several days strongly. I want to see really like 20k. You saw the retest of 20k? Bam! It broke 20k without any hesitation. That is what you want to see. A similarity. That is what you want to see. I mean, you don't want to see that weakness. Oh no, 32k, and then just fake down again. 33k and there's fake down again. We don't want to see that. So yeah, for now, 32k is the area of bull market or bear market, and for now we are still on a bear market. And yeah, we saw a little bit of a pump, but it was a weak pump, and yeah. This yellow channel here, you can say bear flag or a channel. It's a rising channel, so I'm leaning to the bearish side. We're gonna see how this is gonna play out. Look, all those red candles, guys. Look, all those red candles. It's I don't know. For the bulls, quite concerning. Where is the buy pressure here, man? Where is the buy pressure? And on the high block capital liquidation heat map, we saw a lot of liquidation and liquidity. I must say, a lot of liquidity on this area. You see, in this area. And inshallah, we'll do a video about the liquidation heat maps. It's very interesting data that you can use for your trading strategies. But there was a lot of liquidity there, and they just brought it down again. That's it. They brought it down, and the measure moved of this area. It would take the half of the wick. Is a breakout here, something like that. So yeah, if you say the breakout is the middle line here, this middle line, you see how on point this channel is, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing to play this channel, really. Alhamdulillah, we have clear price action, target area, probabilities. That's what you want to have as trader. So yeah, it measures exactly at the support level. And yeah, the second question is, okay, you shorted this, maybe pretty good, then okay, you're gonna take profits here. It's support. You need to respect it. Gonna see a bounce? Maybe, maybe not. We don't know. But this area is, to be honest, is been testing a lot as support. Fake out, up, bump, up, fake out, bump, support testing here again, up. Now we're gonna see again, yeah, support test. How many times? How much can a man take damage? That's the situation with this support area. Is there anything that is still gonna hold? Are the buyers still strong enough to hold the support? I don't know. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. How much? I mean, it's gone. It's getting weaker and weaker. Definitely, because the pumps are still weaker and weaker. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Yeah, we're gonna see how this support level of 26k gonna play. That's our target. Then we're gonna reevaluate what the situation will be next. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for checking this video out. My name is Crypto Zach, aka Zakaria. Like, subscribe. We're closer and closer to 1